Hey there! So, imagine you're on a Windows client, using Windows Terminal to connect to a Linux server. You've got this interesting problem where you need a program on the Linux server to put some text into the clipboard of your Windows client. Quite the problem, right? But worry not, there's a solution for this conundrum. Let's dive in. The solution lies in using the OSC52 sequence. This involves a command with parameters that allow you to copy text and encode it in base64. By following a specific format and using a combination of commands, you can achieve the desired outcome. For the first part of the solution, you'll be working with a few lines of code that involves setting the text, encoding it in base64, and then using a printf command to put it into the Windows clipboard. Pretty neat, huh? Building on the previous step, the next part of the solution delves into incorporating tmux for seamless execution. By setting a specific parameter in tmux, you pave the way for an uninterrupted process. The code snippet provided includes a sequence that integrates tmux and the OSC52 command. This ensures that the text is not only copied but also passed through tmux smoothly. It's all about those little tweaks and configurations to make everything work like a charm. To wrap it up, we've successfully tackled the challenge of transferring text from a Linux server to the clipboard of a Windows client using some nifty tricks. From understanding the OSC52 sequence to implementing it with tmux, we've covered the necessary steps to make this happen. So go ahead, give it a try, and witness the magic unfold on your screen. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!